Lumipat sila dito.
Hindi yun ang bisita din sila rito.
Bisita.
Ay.
Makapalang ang mukha nila sa
Talaga naman ha, pinaghandaan mo talaga ha.
Nako, ano ko na lang niluto? Madali lang pa.
Kaya pakainin mo na rin yung alaga pagka makaupo silang ganyan.
Pati mo na lang sa email, add ko ate yung ganyan para magpakita ko.
sige.
Hindi dun sa YouTube, magbasa ako.
Kami, ano yung magiging Yeah, i-video mo rin sa pagkakain si Oli.
Yay!
Para sa nanay niya.
Ano may ibig?
Para...
Yay! Oy! Spaghetti, bolognese. Poland. Nakakita na. Oy, sine. Yeah.
How is it? Oh, is it full?
Ano yung may allergy siya sa bibig niya? Ano yung sa pagkain? Ay, sit down na.
At saka yung flooring, yung shining.
Pababago lang yata nito. Hindi man sila nito. Ay, no! Okay, Annabelle? Annabelle, you want some biscuit? Annabelle? 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 Give some to Annabelle. Annabelle? Bell. Annabelle? Here, Annabelle.
Si Oli lang palang lalaki. Ay, dalawa.
No, give it to Annabelle.
Ano mo baka magpukpukan sila.
Annabelle? You want some biscuit, Annabelle?
Annabelle! Yan, pengi ako nagdaan dahil kay Oli.
Ate, baba mo nga siya rito para sama-sama sila. Ate, baba mo nga siya rito para, kasi papatayin ko na to.
Tago na natin ito.
Ate Edith, baba mo muna siya sandali dito.
Pupukpukan kayo.
Para sama-sama sila.
Please. Thank you.
Babalatan ka mo.
Para sa silang apat.
Come on, Susie. You go and join the video.
So that your mommy gonna watch you when...
Yay!
Brandon, no!
No, it's not good. Yeah. Yeah. Last one.
Yeah, 2 boys and 2 girls.
Nakakagawin niya.
Yeah. His name is
Agaw yan.
Oliver, Amelia, Annabelle, and
Brandon.
Brandon. Whee!
Yeah, it's niya here.
Brandon.
Brandon.
Look at you.
You have
Brandon.
good
Lalaki.
pairs, 2 pairs. Yeah, 2 boys and 2 girls. 2 handsome boys and 2 beautiful girls.
Kala mo, kaya mo.
Panoorin nyo to sa YouTube, ha?
Time for eating. Time for eating.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Yes.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Hey.
Yay! How about you, Oliver?
Yeah.
Clap your hands, please. Clap your hands, please. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Talagang ano siya, no? Ang Italiano talaga. Kahit yung
Alaga ko
pangakawan
ang
niya. Ay, kabali ka.
How many months is Brandon now?
10 months.
10 months. Oh, it's Oliver is the youngest one among
Boing.
Yummy. What is that? What is in your mouth? Oliver, what is in your mouth? Sit to Oliver. Next to Oliver. They can sit together. Yay! Cuddle.
Belly.
Belly.
Yay!
Oliver. Lisa.
Yes, yes.
Yummy? What is that? See what is that?
High five!
Yeah. Clap your hands, belly.
Ako ate, mapifeature ka na sa YouTube.
High five. Madidisco. Someone discovered this.
High five, high five. Go and play with your friends. Go to Annabelle and Ollie. No, not there.
6 minutes lang.
Ollie.
Ituro mo sa akin ang mag-upload ng picture sa YouTube. Hindi ko pa alam.
Ollie.
Ever since di pa ako nakaka-screen.
Go to your friends. Go to
Yeah,
your
yeah,
friends.
sit down there, Brandon.
Go,
Sit next
go
to
to your
Oli.
friends. Out. Go to Annabelle. Go to Annabelle. Go look at that Brandon. Pinapulutin mo na yung mga crumbs na yan.
Kasi mangot na naman si Brandon.
Yeah.
Yung mukha.
Talagang mukha niya. Ay!